Hello and welcome to this new video. Now I'll be taking you on this apartment tour, which is a new apartment built in Chelkere Kalyan Nagar. So this is very close to places like Manyata Tech Park and Hebbal, about 3 kilometers from Manyata Tech Park and about 5 kilometers from Tin Factory, close to Kamnalli area also, where there are huge amount of commercial establishments. So right now this apartment has around 20 homes for sale with 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs in equal amount. Okay, now I'll show you the tour of this apartment. Come with me. There are totally 4 homes in a single floor, and here you have one home which is a 2 BHK. So now let me show you a 2 BHK house, how it looks. So right now the wooden work has been done, and also the flooring has also been done. This is the hall area. Quite spacious place to actually have your living room, and here you have the windows. So the good thing about this apartment is not a single wall is attached to another house's wall. So that is one good advantage of this apartment. So taking you a little bit inside here, straight from the living room, when you come on the left hand side you have a room, and then with a window. And there, right now I'm shooting in the sunlight is a little less in this room, but if you have a look at this place has good amount of sunlight even at the sunset times. So this is your balcony area, and here you'll be getting a window pane, which is a fiberly made window pane, which will be used to open and close. Okay, so now taking you through a little bit ahead. This is the kitchen area. And it's quite spacious for a family of 4. And right now the marble has been laid, and a little bit of tiles work is also already done. And in kitchen area you can see there is good amount of brightness also. You don't need to switch on your lights except for one particular room over there. This area is quite bright, and a lot of apartments here. So it's a very good neighborhood. A lot of people stay here from different regions of India. North Indians, Bengalis, and a lot of South Indians, and also Gujaratis also stay here. So it's a very nice locality for you to be in. So this is it. This was the 2 BHK tour. Now I'll be taking you through a 3 BHK tour. So now I'll be taking you through the 3 BHK homes. And you can see right from outside, when the sunset is happening, you don't need any lights inside your house. The sunlight is directly entering the house and it is quite bright. So you can save your power. So this is the entrance of the 3 BHK house. G4 means this is the 4th house in the ground floor. Okay, so coming inside the 3 BHK house. So this is the 3 BHK house. This has a huge living area, quite spacious. You can keep your sofa, and the TV can be mounted over here, and sofas can be kept here. And so that is the window outside. You can directly look at those people, whoever comes to your house for delivery, or some of your relatives, or somebody who knocks the door can have a look at it. So straight away coming to this, let us get into this balcony area. So balcony area is also quite spacious. If you have a look at this area, there is a wooden colored flooring has been done, so that you can keep your pots, or you can keep your recliners or your bean bags over here, and you can sit and relax at the end of the day. And you can see sunlight is directly entering the house. It's a very nice Vastu compliant house also. And looking at the place outside of this balcony, you can see that there is a playground, there is a basketball court also over here, and that is a college, that is Bangalore City College. Now let's have a look at the other area of this 3 BHK house. Now coming from that area, balcony area, straight to the kitchen house. So in the kitchen, this is the kitchen area. Right now some amount of tiles work is done. Marble also has been laid, and you can see that you can also customize the way you want whenever you enter this house, whenever you decide to purchase this house. So similar to a 2 BHK house, this house also has a spacious area when you come a little bit ahead of the kitchen area, and here some piping work is done, and you can keep your washing machine and all of those things here, and also clean your utensils in this place. Now moving out of the kitchen, let us get into the main part of this house, that is the bedroom. So bedroom, this is one bedroom over here, and this bedroom is also quite spacious over here. Bedroom also has a view of the basketball court outside. You don't need any extra lighting whenever you are resting in this place. There is ample amount of sunlight here. So a house with a good amount of sunlight is considered to be a bright house. So this is the bathroom. You don't need to go out and use a bathroom. Probably elder people can utilize this particular room. And this is the bathroom of the 3 BHK. So this is the bathroom of the 3 BHK. Easily, you can have your commode here, and you can take bath here. And all the fittings are already being put in place. So you can customize it the way you want to whenever you're getting this house. So the color of these tiles looks little bit of creamish and little bit of grayish, with little bit of design in the middle, and it is nicely designed. And then coming out of that room, let us go into another room. So here in this area, you can see there is a bathroom over here, and this bathroom is attached to this that room and this room. So go into this particular room, which is on the right side from the entrance. So having a look at this room, this room is also quite spacious, but one good advantage this room has is it has its own bathroom also over here, right? So this place it has its own bathroom. So still there is work going on here, and probably soon it will be completed. And it also has a window, and there is a good amount of air coming from this side also. So this is one room, and the other room is directly opposite to that room over here. So this is another room. This room is a little bit small compared to the other two rooms. And this room also has a window, quite a big window, and probably kids or school going children or college going students can actually take up this room. So the first room that I showed you actually can be utilized by the elder people of the house. So this is 3 BHK house, and it is quite large, quite spacious. So if at all you are planning to buy it, I would suggest you to get this house, and I will be telling about the cost of 3 BHK and 2 BHK at the end of the video. Now let us have a look at the other two houses, that is the other 3 BHK and the other 2 BHK. After that house, which was a 3 BHK, right opposite to it, there is another 3 BHK in this area. Now I'll show you this 3 BHK also. 3 BHK house also has good space over here, and there is a window over there, and people can actually check out if somebody has entered the house. If whoever has rang a bell, they can easily have a look at them. So straight from the entrance, straight away we can come to the living room. But this living room area and this balcony has apartment as a view, not as good as the other 3 BHK. But this area will actually help you see if your kids are playing downstairs, and it also has a view to the main road. And on the left side there is a basketball court also. This is the living area of another 3 BHK house. Now let us have a look at the kitchen area. So here the kitchen area is actually directly visible from the living area, but not that visible, because here you will be having a dining table, and your TV and all of those things will be put on the other side. So this is the kitchen area. In the kitchen area also there is a window. Tile works are already done. There is marble work is already done, and you can actually have a curtain if at all you want. You can have a curtain and block that view, but it is not. It actually doesn't make the other person look at the kitchen. Actually also has an area to actually put your washing machine, or you can wash your utensils in this place, right? And then there is a small balcony kind of a setup also. Now let's moving out of this kitchen. Let us go to another room. Right now it seems to be locked. Let us go to the two rooms that are available, because the other room is actually locked. Some materials are kept inside. I will not be able to show it to you. And so this is one room, and this room is a little bit smaller compared to the one that we would be looking at, because that room has some materials over there. So this room has a window, the view of this window. There is a basketball court, and then there is a football court area also over there. So it is quite closer to play arenas also. People can come here and play football. If at all you have kids, they can play football. They can also watch people play football. So it's a good pastime at the end of the day. Now let us go to the other room. So this room is same as the other 3 BHK room. This is also quite spacious. There is a window over here. This is how it looks in the roof side of it. And there is a bathroom also over here. So you can keep your clothes and all of those things that you want to wash over here. And this is the bathroom of this house. Bathroom of this room. Come out of this room, and let me show you the bathroom of this attached bathroom for this room and the other room on the left side. So this bathroom is quite spacious, and it's the common bathroom, and anybody can utilize this bathroom. So overall, 3 BHKs are quite spacious. Given that everybody is worried about pandemic and corona, spacious homes are actually better for you at this moment. The lift area, lift is yet to be put into that place, and once all this work in the interior works are done, that will also be ready within another 6 months. Now let's go to the next floor. So this is how the stairs look. So granite has been used for placing the steps, and it is not very difficult for somebody to climb because it doesn't seem to be too steep, and it is easily climbable. So because there was a lot of material in the first floor, I am showing you the 2 BHK in the second floor. Now let me show you the 2 BHK in the second floor. So this is the view from the outside of this house. So directly the view goes to the balcony. This is the living area of this house, and living area. Here you can keep your sofas and your TV bonnet here and all of those things. And on the other side there is a window. On the other side there is a window, and this wall is not attached to the house on the other side. So that is the good part of this apartment. Now showing you this house. So this house, as you go higher and higher in the floors, actually this house turns out to be more and more brighter. So this is the dining area. This will be the dining area. That is the balcony, and right beside it, the kitchen. So good thing about this house is the view from outside is directly going to the balcony, but not to the kitchen. So kitchen is completely, privatized. If somebody wants a private kitchen and they don't want to show what's happening inside their kitchen, they can actually opt for this house. The design of this house, this 2 BHK house, is really nice. Having a look at this, you will understand it properly. So this is the balcony area, and balcony area, this area is also quite spacious. So here there will be a slider and not a door kind of thing, and here they can actually have their washing machine and all of those things can be kept here, and pots can be kept here. People who are interested in terrace gardening and balcony gardening, they can actually have some amount of designs over here. So moving on to from the balcony area straight, there is a bathroom which is a common bathroom, and the common bathroom is right now partially ready with some amount of tile work and all is done. And here let us have a look at the good part of this house, that is the rooms. So here there is one room, and another room is on the left hand side. Now let us have a look at the room on the right hand side. Look at how bright this room is. So this room is quite spacious. A bed can come here, and then an almirah can come here, and a study table can be kept here. And you don't need any lights for this room. The sunlight is directly entering the room. If you have a look at this room, and right outside this window there are people playing. So basketball court is visible right over here. So this is the play area. So this is one room. Let's go on to the other room. This is another room. This is also quite spacious. The good thing about this room is it has its own bathroom over here. It has its own bathroom over here, and the tiles, everything is same for all the bathrooms, and it's quite nice. It's quite spacious bathroom. It's not congested. And then there is a window for this room also. So coming right outside this room, let me show you this living area again. This is how this house looks from this area. So this is the terrace area of this apartment. Let me just give you a 360-degree view of this terrace view. The apartment that you are seeing there, the newly constructing apartment. So that is the Prestige apartment, which is in Kalyan Nagar. So this place is very close to commercial hub like Kamnalli and Kalyan Nagar. So if at all you want to buy clothing for your festivals or food, if at all you want to order food at late night, you will directly get it from those areas, and there is no problem for food delivery thing also here. And so that apartment over there is closer to the main bus stop of Kalyan Nagar, and From there, this apartment is only just about 500 meters. So from Ring Road, this apartment is only 500 meters away. Wherever you are in Bangalore, if you take up the Ring Road or 500 bus, or even if you get into that Ring Road, you can directly come to this place. So that easy this place is to actually be connected with. No matter where you are, you can directly come to this place if you use the Ring Road. So these are a lot of residential homes here. So it is not in a secluded place. There are a lot of people around here, neighbors and all of those things. And people from across the country stay in this neighborhood. So we just came a little bit front, and you can see there is a training center of football going on there. And then there is a college also over there, that is the Vincent Pelotti college over there. So you can have a good view whenever you are tired. And then there are a lot of churches also, religious places here. There is a mosque, there is a church, and then there is a Hindu temple also. So this area is completely filled with residential apartments, and you will not be bored if there are a lot of people over here, so you will not be bored at all. So coming to the cost breakup of this apartment, there are totally 20 flats over here, 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. And because of its close proximity with Hebbal, which is just 5 kilometers away, and for Manyata Tech Park, which is just 3 kilometers away. And then from Indiranagar, this place is only 7 kilometers away. And to the Bangalore International Airport, it is around 15 kilometers away. So that close this area is actually located, and there is no noise at all. Even if you have a look at if you listen at this place, there is no traffic noise, there is no construction noise. That quite this place is. So coming to the cost breakup, 2 BHK will cost you around 55 lakhs, and 3 BHK will cost you around 65 lakhs, and it is negotiable. You can just contact the number that I would be giving in the description and also on the video, and you can contact, and you can feel free to come to this place at any time that you want, and we will be available to show you around this apartment. And also the owner is also quite close to us, so we will arrange a meetup for you and arrange for whatever negotiations that you intend to have. So that is it about this apartment, cost breakup and all those things. Given hospitals, if there are any hospitals nearby, there is a specialty hospital very close by, just 2 kilometers away, not even 2 kilometers, just 1.5 kilometers. There is specialty hospital. Then there is Columbia Hayshaw Hospital near Hebbal. And then just 100 meters away, there is North Bangalore Hospital. And with respect to hospitals, there are quite a few of them, and it is 24/7 open over here. And even medical shop is just a stone's throw away. And given educational institutions, then we have a school called as Royal Concord International School. There is an international school right near the Ring Road, and you don't have to worry about school establishments also. Then there are colleges close by. Vincent Pelotti is close by. Then there is CMR colleges, CMR institutions, colleges over here, and a lot of places are quite nearby. Given for food, if at all you are someone who would want to go out and dine, there are a lot of restaurants here. There is Talapakati restaurant, McDonald's is there, then you have Taco Bell, and a lot of them quite closer to this. If at all you want to buy gold, there is Tanish, Bima, and a lot of other gold jewelry area here also. And if at all you want to book something for Amazon and Flipkart, they would right away come to your area, because this area is quite familiar for it, because a lot of bachelors and a lot of people who work in corporate sector, they come here and work, which means they come here and stay. So for them, it's quite easy to come here and deliver. Food is not a problem. Food delivery guys, they directly come to your place, not a problem. Educational institutions are here, playgrounds are here. We just saw playgrounds right from the apartment. So this place is really nice as a locality. There is fresh air and breeze also. It's quiet area also. For people who like quiet environment, this apartment is something that I would suggest. So in the end, there are 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. Like I said, the cost is negotiable, so you can contact the number given below. Thank you.